Welcome to How to Do Your Own Accounts, the ultimate hands-on course where I will teach you step by step how to do your own accounts, how to keep track of your business finances. I'm Marion and I'm a UK qualified accountant. I've been qualified for over 20 years. In 2017, I started on Udemy as an instructor teaching Xero online accounting software. But what I've realised is Xero is not necessarily the right decision for every business. So I've added this course to show small business owners how they can easily do their own accounts. So who is this course suitable for and why have I created it? It's suitable for small business owners. It's suitable for anybody new setting up their business. It's suitable for self-employed people with a straightforward business setup. So why have I created the course? Well, if you're new in business, the chances you have been given some advice. You will have been told you must get yourself an accountant right away. Accounts are complicated and you're not going to be able to do them by yourself. Well, I'm going to tell you that is not the case. As a small business owner with a straightforward setup, it's not a problem for you to start doing your own accounts. You might not finalise them, you might still need help from an accountant, but it makes an awful lot of sense for you to get organised and have a go at doing your own accounts. It also will save you money, and of course, that makes sense to your business. If you're organised, if you do your own accounts, or at least start doing your own accounts by yourself, and then you hand over to an accountant, it will be much easier for them to do it for you. So yes, you might need an accountant for your business. You might need them to finalise your accounts, or you might need them for other advice, for strategic advice. If you've got a limited company, I would suggest that you need an accountant. But if you're new in business, don't have a lot of money, and you've got a straightforward setup, trust me, this course is for you and you can be able to do your own accounts. So do your own DIY accounts. What do we cover in the course? In the Getting Started section, we will check that the course is right for you. Then we will talk about your income and expenditure. You need to know in your business where you're going to earn your money from and what you're going to spend your money on. We will talk about budgeting because before you start, it makes a lot of sense to have an idea what you expect to achieve in your business, and I'll help you create a very simple budget. Then I get on my soapbox for a little bit because I stress how important it is to be organised, having a separate business bank account and keeping backup to your transactions. Once we've got you organised, we're going to look at tracking transactions on a monthly basis. Once you've got a month's transactions, I'm going to show you how to reconcile these transactions to make sure that everything is accurate and everything has been included. Then we're going to look at a monthly profit and loss account in your business. You might not know what a profit and loss account is. You might not have looked at one before. You will continue doing your transactions and you will do your transactions for a complete year, and then we can look at the profit and loss account and what you report for a full year in your business. And we'll wrap up the course by looking at the conclusions. What have you learned? What are you able to do? And what will you do next? Feel free to have a look at the preview videos, see if you think the course is right for you, and if you agree that it is, I would love to see you on the inside.